how to generate product title using WriteSonic. In order to do that, head over right here to the e-commerce option. Once you have clicked on your e-commerce, you can head over and see in here these two options. Let's click on this product title right here. And then from in there, it will show you this. So what is the name of your product? So for example, let's head over right here. I have in here a product that is actually kind of long. So let's head over and then change this particular product's title. So here it is. So let's copy this. As you can see, it's kind of long. Then right click and click on copy. And then let's head back to the WriteSonic and let's paste in here what we have copied. Now click on next and then it will show you the key attributes like for example, lightweight, adjustable, portable, and a lot more. Now from in there, this will click on the next. Now from in here, this will load and it will show you the target users. For example, let's put in here casual travelers and click on next. It will also ask for your unique selling point. So let's put in here this multi-compartment design as well as water-resistant material. Then from in there, click on generate. Now this right here will generate a product title that is more suitable for that product. So let's just wait for this right here in order to generate you the product title. As you can see, we have this lightweight travel backpack, 30 liters multi-compartment water-resistant day pack for this particular purpose, and also adjustable portable laptop bag. So you can head over and then just use this for your product. So that's how you generate product title using WriteSonic. Hope we helped.